When I first went to get a mortgage and I met with a realtor, she didn't tell me anything about how to get pre-approved. So literally I walked away and I was like, this is a hassle. I don't need to buy a house. I waited 10 years because I just thought it was such a hassle. So I got into the business because I thought there's got to be an easier way to take a client and say, you need to get pre-approved first. And that is what I do. I help people put all those pieces together. And people don't do it because they don't know how to do it. They don't know what documentation to bring. They don't know what a credit score is usually. And they have no idea. Do they need $5 to buy a house? Do they need 20%? They're clueless. So they're like, I'll just pay rent and live by the beach or live by the great mountains to climb in Arizona or wherever it is that they live. But I help put those pieces together. I'm Gena Schaublin, and I can't wait to be your mortgage banker for life.